Hey guys, welcome back to Shop Cuts. So today we're working on something a little different here. I've got this sign that goes up on our community swimming pool, and it's actually got a security camera mounted behind it, and it points through the guy's little eye there. And I put this camera in probably 8 or 10 years ago, and it's time for an upgrade on the sign. It's gotten kind of yellow and faded, and it's just time. So we're gonna take the old sign out. I was able to find new signs exactly the same, and I actually bought a couple extra. And and I made a new backer board for the little piece of plywood that it mounts on to kind of match the old backer. So, and I almost didn't even post this video. I managed to lose one of the video clips and most of my audio. So anyways, you'll get to see me do it, and it's kind of a condensed version. But so here I am just drilling the holes to match up the new backer with the old backer, and we'll get it matched up there. The clip that I lost was actually just showing me mount the sign to the plywood with some spray adhesive. So it's not a major loss, but anyways, so just about got that new piece figured out, and I'm going to go show you how we install it on site here. You can see where it goes right there in that little light spot on the wall. Like I said, I put this in several years ago and just drilled a hole through the stucco and fished the wires down and put the sign in that way. And this point's right at our front gate. So we used to have a problem with people jumping the gate or breaking in and that kind of thing. So anyways, so we're putting it back up, and I had to kind of polish out the plexiglass cover over it too. That's gotten scratched up over the years. So got that all on there. And not too exciting, just something different. I thought I'd show you guys. We'll be back in the shop doing some normal things here shortly. So let's take a look at how we did here. You'll see I've already got the camera up, and that's a pretty good picture. A lot better than what it was. So anyways, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this one. It's a short one, but I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave a like. And if you're visiting to this channel, we encourage you to subscribe, and we will show you more shop projects in the future. You guys take care. See you next time.